What up, you guys? Early morning. Today we're gonna be swapping the wheels. You can see by the title and thumbnail, something that's well overdue and I'm excited for. Right now we are rolling on some 2.0 stocks, just temporary until everything came in, but they're here. I'm not gonna be too specific because you guys gotta wait for later in the video, but just know it is going down today. The wheels are coming off, something else is going on, and it's the start of a big journey for us, so stay tuned, you guys. Focus, focus. Never seen the Supra from the outside. I've never heard my car before, you guys. That's sick. Oh yeah. Thing looks so good, you guys. Sheesh. Guys, we're here. We're about to put it on the lift. These are what we're gonna be running for a while. They're 18s. So the car's gonna be super low, but gotta do what we gotta do. So we shall see how she turns out. I'm gonna miss these so much. All right, guys, we're back in the Supra. We just swapped over the wheels, and guy picked the Valgens up. I'm gonna miss those wheels. The car looked so good, but wanted to address this. A lot of people are still asking about the check engine light. That's because I am not tuned and I have a catless downpipe. We should be getting some things done to the car pretty soon related to we'll just say more boost and more fuel. So yeah, that's just been there. Shouldn't be hurting the car too much, you know, but that will be gone soon, you guys, for those of you that it bothers. The dash, also, you guys asked why it flickers. It just does that on camera. I've seen it on multiple videos of people's channels, but I'll give you guys a little bit of a look just because it's funny. The car looks a little goofy right now because it's on tiny 18-inch 2.0 wheels, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do, man. It's pretty much winter time anyways. As you guys can see, it's 47 degrees out here. We ain't got that California weather, you know, sad boy. But yeah, I'll show you guys a little look and maybe do a few little cinematics of what the car looks like now, but it is what it is, man.
Just for the suck stick for this shit.
It's good for the, it's good for you. No, you don't.
Yeah? See, this is where I'm at. 4th year, $5,000.
I think shit's all aggressive, huh? Some track hawk content or what? That whine sounds so good.
Right?
Alright, so as you guys know, we have put these on because I sold the last wheels. So we had these 18s on. Shout out to my boy Mix for letting me borrow them. The quality in here is going to be trash because we're in the garage, but figured I'd show you guys. Just picked these up today. We're going to be running those on the front and rear for now. but thought I'd show you guys this. Kind of just back to what it used to be, but definitely way cleaner. I like it. What's up? It is a new day. Finally, it is go time. As you can see, got them big boys loaded up, some Mickeys, and then I'm gonna leave y'all guessing until it actually happens, but it's gonna be sick. We'll just say there's some sick wheels in there, and you could put 2 and 2 together. Come on, guys. So we're loaded in the Jeep, and let's get to it. Alright, you guys, had to pull over, get some good gas station lighting, some random gas station. This thing, it looks so sweet. Just everything goes so good together. It's well overdue. Time to turn this thing up, you guys. We enjoyed the slow boy power. It's time to pick it up for sure. Freaking sick. I'm gonna get you guys some cinematics right now so you guys could get the full effect. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy that for real. That Tomei never gets old, bro. But yeah, you guys, this is just really a video focused on the wheels. I was super hyped on it. Something I've been wanting for a while and had to be patient because I told you guys we were going to enjoy stock power before going crazy with it. But it is time. All you guys that have been rocking with me from the get-go, thank you. I appreciate it so much. And it's time to fulfill my promise, and we're gonna make some power out of this thing and see what happens with that journey. All right, you guys, so like I said, that really just wraps up the video. I really hope you guys like it. I think it looks great. It's gonna be crazy. 2022 summer is gonna be crazy, and if you haven't already, show your boy some love, man. Go like and subscribe. It's gonna be we got so much things coming up. I'm just I know I keep saying to you guys, but we got so much stuff planned. So subscribe. All y'all that have been supporting, thank you so much. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.